guys, I'm super excited. If you guys have any cats, dogs, animals, little kids, if you have an RV, if you own a house, anything like that, then you are gonna want a mesh repair kit for your windows, okay? So I have a hole right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll show you on the outside in just a minute. So this is gonna come with a variety of sizes. So we're gonna have a total of 32 patches, and it's gonna be 12 sheets. So we have a couple of these. We have the smaller ones where it's 4 on there, and we have the really large ones. So if somebody put their hand all the way through or anything like that, you can definitely utilize this. This is gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of money, okay? They are super simple to go ahead and apply. You just wanna clean the area, make sure it dries. You're gonna trim around the hole, okay, to make sure it's flat. And then you're gonna go ahead and use the mesh wiring over the hole. Let it go ahead and set. And if you want a really good seal, you can even use a hair dryer for a little bit on there, and that heat is gonna help it as well, okay? Let me go ahead and show you how we're gonna repair this screen.
This updated screen repair patch kit is the best solution for repairing damaged screen windows and doors. The screen repair tape uses strong acrylic glue, which has been specifically formulated for screen windows and doors. So it has strong self-adhesive capabilities, good adhesion in both high and low temperatures. It's water resistant, as well as increased strength and crack resistance for longer durability. The mesh of this screen repair kit is made of super durable and fine fiberglass mesh, so it's going to be very soft. It's ultra thin at just under 0.3 millimeters in thickness, so it's going to be highly transparent, and it's going to reduce the visual impact. This kit has strong sticking abilities, and it's made with eco-friendly materials. So it's not going to fall off, and we can feel comfortable using it. This kit comes in black or gray, and you can choose from a variety of sizes. We get 12 sheets of this awesome repair tape in the pack. We get 24 pieces of the 1.91 inch by 1.91 inches. We get 4 pieces of the 3.94 inch by 1.91 inch. We also get 4 pieces of the 3.94 inch by 3.94 inches. This kit has a wide application and is ideal for instantly fixing holes and tears in window screens, window doors. You can even use it on tent mesh, pool screens, RV screens, and anything else you can think of. You can even put the same size tape on both sides of the screen to give the effect of better waterproof and dust proofing. Whether you're looking to repair one or many holes, I would highly suggest this kit. 10 out of 10 recommend.